Are you an international student feeling overwhelmed by the SEVIS fee process? You're not alone. So many people get stuck on the details and end up making it way harder than it needs to be. Paying the SEVIS fee is a crucial step for international students applying for an F1 visa, as it helps the U.S. government keep track of international students in the country. The fee is used to fund the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System, which is a database that stores information about international students and their dependents. This system helps the U.S. government ensure that international students are complying with the terms of their visas. Paying the SEVIS fee is important because it's a requirement for F1 visa applicants. Without paying the fee, international students won't be able to move forward with their visa applications. The SEVIS fee is a one-time payment that needs to be made before applying for an F1 visa. It's essential to handle this step correctly to avoid any delays or issues with the visa application process. To get started with paying the SEVIS fee, viewers need a few things. They need a valid Form I-20, which is a document issued by the school they plan to attend. They also need access to the internet and a credit or debit card to make the payment. Having these things ready will make the process much smoother. The purpose of the SEVIS fee is to help the U.S. government cover the costs of administering the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System. This system is used to track international students and their dependents, ensuring they comply with the terms of their visas. By paying the SEVIS fee, international students are contributing to the upkeep of this system, which helps maintain national security and ensures that international students are studying in the U.S. legally. Before starting the payment process, viewers should make sure they have all the necessary documents and information ready. This includes their Form I-20, passport, and credit or debit card information. Having everything ready will save time and reduce stress. Viewers should also make sure they have a reliable internet connection to complete the payment process. To pay the SEVIS fee, viewers need to visit the SEVIS website and fill out the payment form. The form will ask for personal and payment information, which should be filled out carefully to avoid any mistakes. Viewers should double-check their information before submitting the form to ensure everything is accurate. Viewers should go to the SEVIS website and click on the Pay SEVIS Fee button. From there, they'll be taken to a page where they can enter their information and make the payment. The payment form will ask for their name, date of birth, and SEVIS ID number, which can be found on their Form I-20. The payment form will also ask for viewers' country of citizenship and their current country of residence. This information is required to process the payment and to ensure that viewers are eligible to pay the SEVIS fee. Viewers should make sure to select the correct country from the drop-down menu to avoid any issues. Once viewers have filled out the payment form, they'll be taken to a page where they can review their information. This is an important step, as it allows viewers to double-check their information for accuracy. If anything is incorrect, viewers can go back and make changes before submitting the form. After reviewing their information, viewers can proceed to the payment page. This is where they'll enter their credit or debit card information to make the payment. Viewers should make sure to use a valid credit or debit card to avoid any payment issues. The payment page will ask for the credit or debit card number, expiration date, and security code. Viewers should enter this information carefully to ensure it's accurate. They should also make sure to select the correct payment method from the drop-down menu. Once viewers have entered their payment information, they can submit the form. This will process the payment and generate a payment confirmation page. Viewers should print or save this page, as it's proof of payment and will be needed for their visa application. Viewers can also watch a screen recording of the payment process to get a better understanding of what to expect. This can be helpful for those who are unsure about the process or need a visual guide. The screen recording will show each step of the process, from filling out the payment form to submitting the payment. Common mistakes to avoid when paying the SEVIS fee include entering incorrect personal information. Viewers should double-check their name, date of birth, and SEVIS ID number to ensure they're accurate. They should also make sure to use a valid credit or debit card to avoid any payment issues. If viewers encounter any issues during the payment process, they should contact the SEVIS Help Desk for assistance. The Help Desk can provide guidance on how to resolve any issues and get the payment process back on track. Viewers can find the contact information for the SEVIS Help Desk on the SEVIS website. To recap, paying the SEVIS fee is a crucial step for international students applying for an F1 visa. Viewers need to visit the SEVIS website, fill out the payment form, and submit the fee. They should print or save the payment confirmation page, as it's proof of payment and will be needed for their visa application. Viewers should try the steps themselves and see how easy it is to pay the SEVIS fee. They can leave comments with their experiences and any questions they may have. There are also other videos on student visas and studying abroad that viewers can watch for more information and guidance. The SEVIS fee payment process is relatively straightforward, but it's essential to follow the steps carefully to avoid any issues. By doing so, viewers can ensure a smooth and successful payment process. This will get them one step closer to achieving their goal of studying in the U.S. In conclusion, paying the SEVIS fee is an important step for international students. And by following the steps outlined, viewers can ensure a successful payment process. Don't forget to check out other videos for more information on student visas and studying abroad. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your visa application.